Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a special Sunday afternoon edition of JJ's Cryptic Corner. How's everyone doing today? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Happy Sunday. Let's get going. Tyler said to check pin link. Let's go take a look at pin link real quick. I do believe it's on the watch list. No? Yeah, it's right here. 13%. Very nice. Oh, shit. You got your bullish stiff set up, too. What did I fucking say? Exactly what I said was going to happen. I said it was going to come down, solidify a bounce, and then continue to the upside. Shit. Shit. I might have to get off just to go fucking buy this stuff. Guys, Bitcoin's getting spicy. It's getting real spicy. Make sure you guys smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for being here. Happy Sunday. Bitcoin's just chilling at 103,000. If it closes the weekly up here, it will be the highest weekly close of all time. Once again, witnessing history here on JJ's Cryptic Corner. I appreciate you guys for witnessing history with me, for choosing to witness history with me, and for smashing the like button and sharing the stream with your friends and family. We are trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the year. We got, I think, 16 more days. We got 16 more days until the end of the year to get 122 subs. So, you guys are killing it. I appreciate you guys. Let's move on. Liquidation heat map. Let's see what our liquidation points are for this fine afternoon, evening situation setup. Look at that. That's what I like to see. I like to see the brighter colors above us. So below we got a little baby one, 102, 354. 102, 354. And then above we got 103, 578, and then 103, 808. And then 103, 808. Oops. And this one's a thick boy. Big boy right there. Hopefully we take that out, and that causes cascade upwards. I don't think that's the right word, but I'm going to use it anyways. Oh my gosh, we got more right above that too. I think we're going to go to 104 today for sure. I think that's easily achievable. And I think it's going to be quick and violent. I think it's just going to pop right up and liquidate some fuckers. I'm a little swear happy today, guys. I apologize. Dad said, "What the f? Did you just see football games about to start and think let's f with John and do a stream?" Guys, I've laid down the groundwork for my epic fantasy football comeback, and it is a brilliant plan, if I do say so myself. Tyler said, "Get in." Talking about Pinlink. Philly said, "John, these people here cannot even read a clock. It isn't that." That's pretty funny. That's a good one, Philly. Dave, spam the bananas. Let's go, Dave. Let's go. Guys, if you want a little, actually, I'm going to play it here because it's freaking funny. I ask if this makes you laugh, I'm going to ask that you go play it yourself as well, just so I can get the view. But me and WF Capital were playing DayZ the other day, and we got swamped by zombies, and it was freaking funny. I got you. Come over here. Come back over here. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Get on the ladder. Get on the ladder. You good?
I can't get on the fucking ladder, man.
What the fuck am I supposed to do here?
Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to use my shotgun.
Okay, use it. Use it. Use it. All right, ready? Ready?
Oh no! I put it away. Oh my god.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I got you. This is pretty epic. And then we were trying to figure out if I shot him here or not.
Die.
I don't think I did, but he goes dark.
No, I died.
You died? Or you just knocked out? Did it say you were dead?
No, it's black.
Okay, you're okay. You're okay. You're just knocked out. Okay, so he ended up being okay. He ended up being okay, but it was so freaking funny. I don't know if I shot him or not. It's very possible that I shot him, but the zombies de-aggroed, and we were able to patch him up. It was such a shit show. It was really funny. If you play that in the video at like 0.25 speed, we sound hammered, and it's fucking funny. I'm like, "You died?" It's fucking funny, man. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin's getting spicy up here. Like super duper spicy. John's talking crap about my epic fantasy football plan. He's clearly just jealous because he didn't think of it himself. Everyone loves an underdog, John. Don't be jealous. Let's go through some charts, guys. Ethereum possibly breaking out of this upper trend line that I totally made up. But that's good. We like to see ETH break into the upside. Total 3 also possibly getting a decent pump. We'll see what happens with that. Sol looking relatively decent as well. Potential ladder down, but we'll see how it plays out. Same with ADA. Everything's kind of playing out the same right now. Everything looks almost identical. SNEC also was recovering for a minute. Now it kind of looks like crap again. XRP. XRP's a little bit floaty. I like that it's outside of this upper trend line though, but the upper trend line is also kind of messy, so I guess do with that information what you will. HBAR, kind of the same thing as XRP. Polkadot had a nice recovery today. I was very proud of this. So you had this this green line, and I'm not sure what that's from. Was that a resistance area? Maybe. That might have been what that was when I put it on there. But broke above that. Hopefully retesting that as support and continue to the upside. SUI also looking like it wants to break through this line once more and set another new all-time high. We'll see if that plays out. C, setting up a higher low right here, which is what we like to see as well. No pun intended. CAS still looks like crap. But again, this could always be a fake out, head and shoulders situation. It's very possible. But I am still observing this. It very much looks like a head and shoulders with a decent sized target to the downside. Like 12, 13 level, which would suck. But hopefully that's not the case. And it is just a fake out. Avalanche, trying to recover as well. Is it setting up the MW that I've been talking about? I would like to see that. I would very much like to see that. It's a nice continuation pattern. Chainlink. Chainlink just looks great right now. Chainlink has been cranking. Definitely the darling of at least this month so far. Doge getting a little bit laggy. Potential W set up on Doge right here. We'll see if that plays out. How do I, there we go. So I just hit escape. Lunk also retesting its upper trend line. Former resistance as support, looking good. Polygon-matic pole. Very similar actually to Lunk. Because you got this, what is that? Where'd my line go? Right here. You got this, which was resistance, 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 turn support, resistance, turn support. Hopefully that continues to the upside now. So broke out of the upper trend line resistance, retested as support, continued to the upside, had another retest as support, and now it's retesting this 59.60 level as support as well. Near, also looking relatively decent. Potential head and shoulders on Near though. But again, we've seen these play out the opposite way more often than not. If it does play out as a regular head and shoulders though, the target's pretty low, like $5 area. But again, that's another thing. We've never really seen them hit the target properly. The inverse head and shoulders we've been seeing hit the targets lately, but I do believe that that is because we are in a overall bullish environment. Chili's just kind of looks good. Had this resistance turned support, turned resistance again. That's a little far cry from the actual proper resistance line, I suppose. But that's what I'm going to call it. Yeah, there's not really a pattern to be had here, as far as I can tell. Perhaps you could make the argument for a descending broadening wedge. I don't know. It's hard to tell. MicroStrategy still looks the same, sitting at 420. DXY, getting a little pumpy. Silver, getting a little dumpy. NASDAQ and S&P look good. Bitcoin dominance, quite indecisive, if I do say so myself. And Bitcoin, again, chilling, 103.292. We got very, very big liquidation points just above us. Let's see if those have remained. Fahid said, I'm looking for a big dump, LOL. Tyler said, when pin link is $20 soon, I'm going to tell you every price point I told you to buy, starting with $1.34 when I bought in and told you. I mean, that's only 100%. If it wasn't such a pain in the butt to purchase, then I would have bought some already. I tried to. I really did. Like, it killed me to try that hard. But I'm going to try MetaMask next. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can do it on the air. We'll do it live. Even though I said I didn't want to, but I'm going to try it. Oh my gosh. Is this even worth me trying to do? Coinbase is all effed up. Yeah, Bitcoin looks great. Let's check our liquidation heat map. 12-hour. Yeah, those are still right above us. Bears are pretty confident in a drop. Yes, it's only 100%, Tyler. All right, we got some articles to read, guys. Let's get into it. Trump may use Bitcoin as U.S. reserve asset on day one. How high will Bitcoin price go? Trump's potential executive order making Bitcoin a U.S. reserve asset may drive a $20 billion Bitcoin purchases. $20 billion in Bitcoin purchases in 2025. They did not word this correctly. I'm a victim. Again. Donald Trump will likely issue an executive order on his first day in office to designate Bitcoin as a United States reserve asset, according to Jack Mallers, CEO and founder of Strike. Okay, so he's just making crap up. A $200,000 Bitcoin buy order is coming in January 2025. A podcast interview with YouTuber Tim Pool Mallers explained that the president-elect could rely on provisions within a so-called Dollar Stabilization Act, which grants him considerable authority to protect the U.S. dollar. Ooh, I like that. It wouldn't be the size and scale of 1 million coins, but it would be a significant position. So they're looking for $800,000 price target. John mentioned this in the Discord earlier, and I tend to agree with him. He said, The $125,000 Bitcoin price target seems quite modest now, all things considered. Next article, Bitcoin's demand shocks looming, Ripple stablecoin, and more. Holders Digest, December 8th through 14th. JP Morgan raises price targets on Bitcoin mining stocks. We read that one already. New York regulator approves RLUSD stablecoin. I believe that this has gone through, which is amazing. Ripple will soon announce exchange partner listings for RLUSD and NYDFS approval. After the NYDFS approval, the company launched plans for the stablecoin in April as a competitor to Tether and USDC. Bitwise predicts 2025 as year for crypto IPO. Kraken Circle to go public. Kraken going public is quite interesting. I know they just recently cracked down on their KYC as well. Riot Platforms raising $500 million to buy Bitcoin amid price surge. Is this the game? Riot Games? To buy Bitcoin, the company may conduct a private bond issue qualified institutional investors. Its decision comes as Bitcoin hovers around its all-time high, and other industry heavyweights have made large acquisitions at top prices. Interesting. I feel like this is turning into digital currency for dummies where it is, and unfortunately, I'm the dummy. Yeah, Jon Stewart, comedian and political commentator. Binance boss Richard Tang says re-entering U.S. market a premature discussion. Yeah, I agree with that. I wouldn't want to re-enter the U.S. market after what happened with them. Ethereum poised for record highs in Q1 2025. Analysts predict something called Ether's price may see an imminent breakout against Bitcoin based on, again, Ether's correlation with the 4-year, I don't know what that has to do with Ethereum, with the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle. Again, Ether could surpass its previous all-time high during the first quarter of 2025, according to market analysts. It's been unable to remain above the key $4,000 psychological threshold despite Bitcoin breaching the record $100,000 high on December 6th for the first time in crypto history. Guys, it's been 9 days since Bitcoin broke $100,000, and we're still just casually chilling above it, and institutions are buying. Banks are buying. That tells me all I need to know. Alan said, humility is highly underrated trait these days. Yes, it is. I agree. The reduced leverage could set Ether, again, I don't know what that is, up for a rally to new all-time high during the first quarter of next year. Bybit analysts told Cointelegraph they expect a new all-time high in Q1 2025. They have said the same exact thing 14 times in this article so far. We've gained no new information. I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm not sure why they keep calling it Ether. And then the final article. Bitcoin's $19.8 billion options expiry is coming up. What does that mean for Bitcoin price? A massive $19.8 billion Bitcoin options expiry takes place on December 27th. Are bulls or bears better positioned? Bitcoin investors are bracing for the $19.8 billion options expiry scheduled for December 27th at 8 a.m. Universal something time. Universal titty crap. Yeah, what the fuck is UTC? The recent rally above $100,000 has caught bearish investors off guard, creating an opportunity for bullish traders to capitalize and potentially fuel a new Bitcoin all-time high. Currently, total open interest call buy options stand at 12 billion, while put options trail at 7.8 billion. Deribit dominates the options market with a 72% share, followed by CME at 12% and Binance at 9%. However, Bitcoin's 68% price surge over the past 3 months has rendered most put options ineffective. Bulls are better positioned ahead of the year-end expiry. Institutional demand for Bitcoin remains robust, while spot exchange traded funds attracted $4.5 billion in inflows during the first 12 days of December. Additionally, MicroStrategy acquired 21,550 Bitcoin between December 2nd and December 8th at an average price of $98,783 per Bitcoin. Wow. Similarly, Bitcoin miner Mara Holdings disclosed the purchase of 11,744 Bitcoin on December 10th. Nice. They purchased? That's interesting. So basically, bottom line, TLDR, Bitcoin is bullish as F right now. And you guys aren't bullish enough. Let's see. Tyler said XRP Google search is the highest ever and is off of the global chart. Wow. Yeah, we'll probably have to do a how to buy XRP ecosystem coins video pretty soon here. I feel like that's a no-brainer. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin's just super spicy right now. Let's see. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna attempt to send. I just gotta move some money around. Give me a moment. This is getting ridiculous. Coinbase doesn't know what they're doing. I can't transact on ETH. I gotta use freaking MetaMask. I might have to set up a new MetaMask. I don't even know if I have access to my old MetaMask wallets. It's been a long, long time. But guys, let's take a look at our watch list really quick. We got Kirby up 344% still. ETH, the ticker is ETH, up 36.16%. Very cool. I did buy some of this relatively recently. It is way below my buy though. This is one of the Murad coins, I think. I could be wrong. I don't remember. I just thought it was really funny. Shigen coming up out of nowhere at 33.61%. Used car also coming out of nowhere. This one's a Dino meme coin, 11 months old. Dark Magician Girl also coming up out of nowhere. Project 89 coming up out of nowhere. Frick still up 22%. Nothing up 14%. Popo up 14%. Pesto up 14%. Pinlink up 13%. Mini up 10%. I think I got rid of this, didn't I? This one pissed me off. Yes, I did. I'm going to remove this from the watch list because I think it's trash. Bye-bye. Moodang up 9%. Naked Jim still surviving. $1 million market cap. What? Was it always $1 million market cap? No, it pumped up into that. Interesting. Is Naked Jim setting up a inverse head and shoulders? Only time will tell. This is one of the weirdest meme coins I've ever seen in my entire life. Makes me slightly uncomfortable. Lock-in up 5.9%. Major Frog up 4%. The meme coins are looking good today. Why is my watch list so overpopulated? What have I done? This is too much. Rest in peace, Pooper. Rest in Pooper. Bitcoin is 103.80. Tyler said, oh, I read that already. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's see. We got 8 people watching. How many likes are we at? Let's see. We are at 5 likes. Nice. You guys are doing a great job. Killing it. Yeah, Bitcoin is 103, 131. The current all-time high is 104.88. Let's put one right there. Exactly at the all-time high. I'm going to make this thin and I'm going to make it blue. If we break that, we're breaking all-time highs. I'm going to get rid of this fugly line. We'll remember that it's there. The fractal, honestly, so far this is playing out exactly how it's played out in the past. This right here, where you had the inverse head and shoulders, resistance line, breakout, ride the line, and then pop. This time we don't have inverse head and shoulders. Perhaps it's just a double bottom. Resistance line, breakout, ride the line, pop up. That's exactly what's playing out. It's a repeating pattern, repeating liquidity pattern, if you will, playing out over and over again. This is what people talk about when they say history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. We're witnessing that as well, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see. Yeah, everything at the moment, which is a little strange for a Sunday, looks like it wants to rip. Is it going to be a fake out, though? We'll have to wait and see. Is it going to be a double top? We'll also have to wait and see for that. Let's see what else interesting is happening. I'd like to see what's going on in the world of Polkadot. What's their all-time high? Polkadot's current all-time high is $55. I thought it was like in the 20s. 55 is crazy. That's a 5x from here. Over 5x. It's a 6x. Very cool. XRP potential upside, breaching all-time high. If you believe that this is a flag, and yeah, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Crypto Shark said, "Yo, brother, what's going on, Crypto Shark?" Hoff said, "After I put in all my buy orders yesterday, crypto immediately went up." Yeah, that's what happens, Hoffs. Fahid said, "I lost on Monkey. I had no idea what possessed me." That was a scary one. The chart's absolutely terrifying. It does look like it's recovering, though. So, maybe just relax? I don't know, actually. It's done this already twice. Dump, recovery, dump, recovery. You're doing it a third time? Is it just going to continue to dump? Or is this the point where it actually recovers? I don't know. The RSI has spawned incredibly oversold, but it is a new listing on KuCoin. And I will say, if KuCoin is the only exchange that has it, then that might be it. Because KuCoin listings are a little wishy-washy. At least they were last bull market. I remember that being a big point of contention. Let's see, let's see. Oh, hey, look at that. Okay. And then what else do I got? Yeah, guys, Bitcoin looks great here. Honestly, I want to go to the clean chart just to see it. Yeah. This is getting exciting. What do we got here? See, this also looks very similar right here. This trough and then these two dips. This trough and then these two dips. Is that what's going to happen? Are we going to get a third lower dip and then a big pop up? That'd be interesting. Let's take that fractal. Let's see what it shows us. Ooh. I don't know. It's kind of hard to say. It is a repeating liquidity pattern, I'm telling you. Was this on Sunday? No, this was on Wednesday. Weird. So maybe because this is on Sunday, it could just rip up. Maybe I'm just overly bullish. You got to admit that that's super similar, though. Crypto Shark said, "I got my bags packed on Landworth 0x67. I'm hoping it makes the next leg up pretty soon. I think the market is." Let's go see Landworth. I got nothing. Land Wolf, maybe? Yep. Did I read that wrong? I did not. Oh, but I knew what you were talking about because I remember you talking about that. Ooh, okay. There you go. I mean, you got the move. You got the move, man. We were looking for it to break above this. It broke above it. I'd like to see it retest and then continue to the upside because that was bearish divergence. Now it's been invalidated. That is beautiful right there. You had bearish div. I guess technically it played out right here. Busted right above that resistance line. And now it's retesting. That looks sick. It really does. Ooh, somebody just made a bank. Ooh, damn. My guy's been trading this thing for fucking ages. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, it looks good, man. You got that bearish div has been completely invalidated. Vahid said the bot keeps buying shambles and selling. Really? That's actually really funny. That's great, man. That is amazing. Is it a bot? I thought that yeah, right here, you can see trades. Is it a bot? This might not be a bot. Bunch of followers. Is this a person? That'd be weird, wouldn't it? And a bunch of people were following them. I mean, they got a decent chunk of coins. That's a lot of shit. This is too much. I hope this is a bot. Because this is way too much crap. It's kind of cool that they got this much sold though, and then they're dabbling in shambles. I like that. Even though they're idiots and they buy and sell it within like 5 seconds. It's got to be a bot, right? That doesn't make any sense. They waited 2 hours. It's the same guy. So he bought here, but then he sold, and he sold at a loss? That's got to be the same guy. Or that's got to be a bot. Okay, so here he made profit. How does that make sense? How did he make profit here? Nobody bought after him. That's weird. That's really funny. My iris meme. Oh, 696969. Interesting. Memer 2024. I like seeing the people who set names. Even though I set my name too. Yeah, Shambles looks good, man. I like it. I really do. Landwolf looks good too. And Bitcoin, is it doing it? Is it making its run? Let's see what happens. Either it's a bot or just some nut. LOL. It could be either. I mean, it's soul meme, so both are very logical. Crypto Shark said, thanks, brother. Landwolf keeps gaining holders every day. Soon as those little whales get tired, boom. Hell yeah. Fahid said, is it a Hoff's W? What, Bitcoin? Or Shambles? Or Landwolf? Or Pinlink? All right, let's see. Let's see. What can I do? All right, here's what I'm going to do. Shambles. So he thinks it's Shambles. It's in a Hoff's W. I mean, it's on the 1 minute. I can't go any lower. Let's do some TA. Do some TA on this meme. Okay, so there is RSI data, which is good. You got bearish div. Right here. Which played out with this red candle right here. Minus 9.87%. And then I think that's it. You just had bearish div play out. Which, you know, I could argue that usually after bearish div plays out, bullish div is up next. It's bullish div's turn. Let's see if we get a pump on shambles. Said no. It's not. He wasn't asking you, Hops. More money said request REQ token price possible 50x this week. Bullish. Let's go take a look. 50x is a little crazy. Ooh, okay. So we got rejected off of this 17 level, which is the resistance that we were looking at. Yep. You want to see it break above that. Because right now, it's struggling. This is some big resistance right here. Right here. Right here. And now right here. So once it breaks above that, then you're probably looking for some decent upside. That's a big 19% candle that got eaten up pretty harshly afterwards. Let's see. Hoff said, that's my divergence problem. Head and shoulders indicates movement, but there's no target to it. Head and shoulders has target. Oh, that's where you meant to say I have. That's my divergence problem I have. Indicates movement, but there's no target to it. Well, that's why I always say it's indecisive, and it only plays out 50% of the time. More money said $1 plus. That I don't know. As far as price targets go, I really have no idea. I'll do an in-depth for you though, because you've been asking about it for a while. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. So this is a great tool that we've been using, the historical aspect of CoinMarketCap, and then we want to see the previous all-time high on Request Network. You said $1 plus, which has been right here on the weekly. So the week of November 22nd, 2021. Let's see if I can find it. 2021, November, I'll go November 21st. And then I'm going to search. I probably don't think it's going to be in the top 200, but let's see. REQ. Where is it? Am I crazy? There we go. So it's number 339. The price was 20 cents. Okay, so it must have been the 28th then. Maybe a better option. Let's see. All right, there you go. 57 cents. Okay, so this is as high as we're gonna see it in the historical data, at least. Oops. So exit out of that. Request Network was 57 cents, and the circulating supply was 999 million. Now, let's see if they've inflated that since then. Has it deflated? Circulating supply. It's okay, so it is deflationary. Interesting. So that is actually really good. That means in order for it to get to 57 cents again, you actually need less than $573 million market cap. Right now, so you need a 5x, you need a 10x. You need a $1 billion market cap in order for it to reach over a dollar. It would be $1.40, I think, if it was $1 billion market cap. Or maybe it'd be $1. I think $1 billion market cap would be $1. That's huge. That's actually a really big deal. I think that that's a possibility. Let's actually check out just regular coin market cap, and let's see what's at $1 billion market cap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, right here. Top 100. Gate.io is 1.1. Or Gate token. ApeCoin 1.1. Polygon 1.1. Chili's 1 billion. I think it's possible. I'm not gonna say it's impossible. I don't know if it's gonna happen this week. This week is kind of crazy for a 10x. But you get a 10x on this thing, and it'll be a dollar. 10x market cap. I actually think that looks pretty good, honestly. As long as they keep their they need to keep their market share. So when the market increases, they need to increase as well. They need to not lose this positive price action. The biggest thing is making sure that eyes stay on the project. Let's see, do they have a Twitter? This is also my biggest thing. Like Pinlink is the perfect example. This is a great looking project. The chart looks amazing. The website looks great, whatever. Tyler's been talking about it for forever, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll get to it. And then I looked at the Twitter, and the Twitter shows that they've been super active, nonstop, every single day posting. They're like keeping everyone up to date with what they're doing, and the things that they're doing are bullish as fuck. So it sold me immediately. They got hackathon going on, okay. So they do look incredibly active on Twitter, and they have 57,000 followers. I feel like it's possible. I'm not going to say when, I just feel like it's definitely possible. They just got to keep the attention on them. They got to keep marketing. They got to keep doing events and improving their protocol, and they'll be good to go. See, they're constantly developing. I actually think that this is great. Like, legit. I like this project. Not financial advice, though, as always. You got to do your own research and make the decisions yourself. But personally, I actually like it. Let's see. Oh, I'm out of chai latte. That's sad. Let's try to buy my pin link. Damn it. Do. Whoa. I'm going a little hard on this because of the freaking gas fees and shit. All right. Let's see. How many people do we got here? We got 8 people watching still. You guys smash the like button. Appreciate you. Bitcoin chilling 103.55. I think it's gonna break its current all-time high. If this 4-hour candle closes this way, which I believe is at 3 p.m. EST, which is in an hour and 42 minutes, that'll be the highest 4-hour candle close of all time, which would be crazy. We got 9 likes, guys. We need one more like to hit our 10 like goal. I appreciate you guys. All right, I got one more thing to do to then have all my ETH where I want it. I can't believe Tyler's gonna be doing this. I do like Pinlink though. It does genuinely look like a good project, which is why I'm going out of my way to get some. Okay. Let's update our liquidation heat map, see where we're at. Offset, how much pain link is enough? I don't even know, man. You got to spend like 90% of your freaking portfolio on gas, so who knows? Symbol and 12 hour. Okay, yeah, 102, 354. 102, 354. And then we got 103, 578 and 103, 808. Yep. Still looking spicy. I will say the only thing that's a little bit of a deterrent for me right now is this candle looks a little bit nasty. With that that big wick right there, that is a gravestone doji. But doji candles apparently, according to Google, are incredibly unreliable. Which is kind of funny. Werewolf Cat said, "What's up, y'all? What's going on, Werewolf Cat? Smash the like button on your way in. Appreciate you for joining us. Happy Sunday. We're doing a little bit of an early stream, considering Bitcoin's getting spicy here today. I'm also trying to scrounge together some quarters that I found in my couch to buy some pin link. I had to take out a loan on my van to pay to pay for the ETH gas. Total 3. Total 3's red. So is Sol. Yeah, the market. It might do this. It might do this thing. This thing right here. Oh, that's the exact part of the fractal that I have right here, actually. So it would be this. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Wait a minute, would it? Okay, I see. Yeah. Is that what's happening? Man, this is the slowest grind up I've ever seen on Bitcoin. It's over 100K, so we're getting a little spoiled here. Like being all like, oh, why is Bitcoin not doing anything? But why isn't Bitcoin doing anything? Is it this? There's a lot of confluence here. You got this point, this point, this point, this point. I feel like I could make that argument. It's very sloppy though. With these two breakthroughs, before I move that line on accident, very sloppy. Let's see. What's nice about it being Sunday afternoon is the Coinbase like slow transactions aren't slow at all, which is very nice because usually they're slow as F and it's trash. Let's see. Go to my watch list. What do we got? I can't believe Kirby's ripping like this. It's up. This is my moon bag too. What in the world? Is it gonna do what it did before? What if it goes all the way up there? What's it gonna be? Trade wise, that would be, if I'll just go like right here, 343%. Very nice. You guys got anything specific you want me to look at? It's gonna be a good watch. Ooh, Bitcoin dominance is getting green. Come on, Bitcoin. Xiao AI said, "Hey, offset 107K seems inevitable." I agree. I mean, it's at 103 right now. It's 107. 4%. Not even 3.8%. That's nothing. Oh, my eyes. Damn you, Pinlink. Slow down. My crap's still pending. Can I connect MetaMask here? Let's see. You should be able to, right? What wallets? Any wallet. Are these people dumb? MetaMask wallet, Uniswap. Okay, I'm assuming I can. I'm not going to read any of that junk. Apparently, crypto articles are like notoriously bad at metadata, SEO. Let's see. Yeah, there's not much to look at. Should we check Pump Fund and see if there's anything crazy? I just don't like how fast this moves. Like, can I put it in slow mode? Show animations? No. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, no, wait. I don't want that. I thought that it was the other way around. Shit. Why is there weird porn meme coins? What the fuck? Is this a spork? What else do we got? What? Some of these are really strange. This one's kind of funny. Air Frog. How come mine didn't do good? Flying into the weekend, a sound-triggered camera captured this image of a frog going airborne when NASA's Lady spacecraft lifted off from a flight facility in Virginia. The condition of the frog remains uncertain. That frog's dead. F these people. My Minotaur frog was just as cool as that one. Simran said Dex Screener is safe. I know Dex Screener is safe. I just didn't know if MetaMask could connect to it. Zhao AI said, do you trade any base or soul memes with Telegram bots? That shit is so addicting. I actually don't. I'm very, very, very new to Telegram. But I do trade soul memes on Dex Screener and Radium and Jupiter. But he said I can't stand Telegram. Too many scammers. Zhao AI said, Telegram sucks, but the trading bots are fire to get in and out quick before they rug. Yeah. I actually never seen how the trading bots even work. So I would be interested in learning. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's no Twitter here, and this thing blew up. What? Hello, I'm at a now there's people begging for money? What the fuck? Dev holds 9%, no big deal. Yeah, man, this is it's getting very grifty. 103, 194 for Bitcoin. Sort by... I don't know what to sort by, actually. GameStop. See, how do these get like several $1,000 market caps already? Let's refresh. I'm so glad you can turn that animations off. That's such a nightmare to try to deal with. Meeky Crypto Pirate. That's just a bean. Today's beans are tomorrow's turds. What the heck? When private jet. Chance to millionaire. This one's kind of cool. Caterpillar meat. Peter the rodent. Okay. Okay. I gotta use MetaMask. Seems so icky. Would it be stupid to try it on Phantom again? Beat said, can we check that word? I used to have some before and found out I could have made 40K at the top if I kept it, LMAO. I guess I'll check it. I do not condone the purchase of any of these offensive meme coins, but for Fahid, I'm going to check it. This one. This looks like shit. Is this the one? Does that website show you like what you would have made if you would have sold the exact top? Because that's kind of stupid. I assumed it would show you what you would have made if you would have just held it until the current price. This looks like shit though. Yeah, I don't know. I hope that's the wrong one. Zero said when Shambles TA went, we were looking at Shambles. It actually looks great. So we had some snipers PvP right here, which is kind of hilarious. And then we've just had organic price action ever since. There is one guy, this guy right here, DC5LJ8, keeps buying and selling. And he's made $0 from doing that. I don't know if he knows how this works. See right here, he bought 3.396. Somebody else sold, and then he sold. I don't think he knows what he's doing. And then he bought here, and somehow he sold in profit. 0.001 SOL. Even though nobody else bought or sold in between his purchases. So, I don't know. It seems incredibly broken, but it's kind of funny to watch. What are these wallets? Are these transactions flagged? What does that mean? Transaction may have originated from a bot. Ooh. Oh, so it tells you, yeah, this is not a bot. What? This is just a person. Well, that's sad. I hope they're okay. I mean, they're buying the right project. They're just selling it too soon, I think. In my opinion. Not financial advice. We like shambles. Zero said, yeah. What's the bot story? Maybe he made the bot live. If the coin gets traction, his buying, selling strat can work, right? Yeah, maybe that is what's going on. I like that we're 11% of our bonding curve, though. I think somebody's going to catch wind of this and it's going to blow up. I really do like it. is this? Is that its face? Can I make the picture big? I can. Look at its mouth. It's like, oh. How do you rug this, man? Don't do that to that poor fat cat. People are monsters. Bitcoin's at 103,274. Hell yeah. We are cranking. The Heat said, yes, I agree with Zero. I think it's with buys. What do you mean? So this guy bought, and then this guy bought. And then this guy sold, and this guy sold. Whoa, maybe that is what it is. Bought. Wait a minute. No, it bought and sold right here. And then it bought at the same time as this guy. And then it sold at the same time as this guy. And then this guy bought. This guy bought. This guy bought. This guy bought and then sold again. I don't know. It's confusing. I don't think they know what they're doing. It's kind of funny to watch them rug themselves, though. I guess I feel bad laughing because maybe it's just an amateur. April McDaniel said LCX. Let's go take a look at LCX. Okay. Just chilling. I've looked at this recently. This is LGX. This is not the right thing. There we go. Coinbase. Here we go. Okay, so you did a fake out above the triangle and broke below it. This is a ascending triangle, so we're kind of expecting a break below. And then you had these support levels, which we did map this out, and it's still holding support, so it does look good. These support levels are based on previous support back here, support and resistance back here. A lot of confluence on this line specifically. I'm streaming. That would make a good meme coin. I'm not going to do it, though. We have to strategically plan that if we end up doing that.
Geez, so long.
So yeah, it looks like you got a kind of a double bottom W situation happening on the support level. And it does look good. The only thing that I guess I'm a little weary of, like you got your long wicks below right here, which are great. That means that people are buying these up. But you also have a lot of short wicks above right where you're currently at, which means people are selling. So you want to just keep an eye on that. This one right here too. That's a little bit of a scary wick. The wicks will kind of point you in the direction. If there's wicks to the top, you're probably going to go down. If there's wicks to the bottom, you're probably going to go up. So right now it seems a little bit indecisive, but you are holding that 0.322 support level. But he said maybe it's, oh, that, I don't think that she would stick around. You think people, I don't think that we live rent-free in people's heads that much. It's nice. It's a nice thought, though. Zero said, LOL, self-rug. I mean, is that, that's exactly what's happening. Steve for Van said, good morning, JJ. Velo having a good day. Let's go take a look at Velo. Velo on KuCoin. Let me go check the... We got 10 people watching now, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Velo is having a great day. Look at that. Recovering most of this downside right here. Took a little bit longer than the downside took, but that's what you want to see. Just a slow accumulation recovery. And I will say, the RSI being lower is quite nice. That means that you got more room for the upside. Nice little RSI flush reset. Let's see. Yeah, this is just kind of an overall uptrend. Looks great. Nice little parabola. Let's go to the daily. Ooh. Yeah, this looks very nice. very nice. Like decent uptrend over time. This is like a nice nice W right here. So I would fully expect some kind of retrace bounce, which maybe even is what happened back here. Because you got resistance, resistance, support. It's very little points of confluence. I guess you got support right here too, this line. But it is there. You could also make the argument for this on the same thing. It didn't go that low though. So maybe just forget about that one. But it does look good. It really does. Bitcoin's at 103,330. On the daily, it looks amazing. See, this is the only thing that scares me though. This is a ascending pattern, and those are usually bearish. So if it breaks down from here, it could get ugly. All right, let's see. Am I going to try? I'm just going to go straight for MetaMask, I guess. All right. Let's see. I don't remember how to do this. I'm just going to do it later. I'm going to do it later. Even though the price is increasing, it's increasing slow enough for me to calm down and breathe. MetaMask, it's a little bit clunky. Zero said, "Oh, the pattern on Bitcoin is solid." That's what I'm thinking. But Zero, since you're here, actually, let me bounce some ideas off your brain. So we previously had. Actually, it's easier if I look at this one first. So we previously had this right here, this inverse head and shoulder setup, and then right here specifically, you had it break up, another dip, and then a big spike, which is exactly what's happening right here. Break up, a dip, and then a big spike. Is that exactly what's going to unfold? Because that's the exact fractal that I copied right here. This specific move right here, I put right, actually, that's wrong. This specific move right here, I put right here. They look pretty damn similar. And you got that upper trend line resistance. Maybe looking to break through that finally, definitively. There's definitely some kind of a repeating liquidity pattern. But more crabbish. Yeah, it might not spike up that hard. I could see it do this and maybe even break below it again. Because that's pretty much what it did right here as well. It might just pop up. It could even just chill on the line for a little while and then continue to the upside maybe. Oops. But yeah, that jumped out at me, especially with the inverse head and shoulders. This chart's getting so messy, but I feel like I can't get rid of anything because every stupid line plays its part. I remember making fun of people for having too many lines on their charts, and I've turned into that guy now. Yeah, the fractal is from right here. It's just this move, this exact move right here. What's really cool is, where are we? This green line. Okay, so the orange line is for October, the yellow line is for November, and the green line is for December. And then these blue lines are my targets. But the colored ones, orange, yellow, green, were from a tweet from the Bitcoin archive back here. Bitcoin was still at 60K. The Bitcoin archive came out and they said the average returns for Bitcoin in October, November, December would result in the following price targets: 80,500 for October, 89,300 for November, and 106,700 for December. I said those are a little too crazy, and I went to the halfway point, 74,000, which we nailed perfectly in October. And then November we busted right through my target and their target, and even retested their target, it looked like. And then December, where we're getting pretty damn close. So the Bitcoin archive on Twitter absolutely nailed this call. Beautiful observation on their part. So gotta give him props for sure. I should actually go tweet that. See, I guess I would want to save this chart and kind of share the chart too, right? I think the problem is, though, I would have to remove a bunch of stuff. Let me just do that, and then I'll put it all back when I'm done. This hurts. This hurts so much to do. Okay. Quickly. Oh, fuck. Okay. Now I can undo everything. Okay. Yeah, I don't like doing that. That makes me uncomfortable. My precious lines. You know what TradingView should do? They should charge you for like however many lines you put on the chart. Like once you get over a certain quantity of things you put on your chart, they should tell you that you need premium. If they really, really wanted to do like a pay to win, that's a smart business model from like a capitalist capitalist machines point of view. All right, let me see if I can get some attention from the Bitcoin archive. Oh no, I left my stupid blue line on there. Oh well. Is that it? No. Am I crazy? Maybe I can't tag them. Okay, fuck them then. They're not getting this attention. Bitcoin's chilling at 103,232. Yeah, I'm not gonna make you guys watch me fucking put out a tweet that I can't even tag the guy in. Oh, Kirby's getting a little drawdown. People taking profits. Cute little elephant. There's Pinlink at 304. Ugh. Damn it. How do I buy it in MetaMask? Let's see, copy. Okay, send crypto. Send ETH. Send it to this address. Yep, I got it. Ethereum network to this address. Max. Okay, here we go. Send now. Okay, I need to approve the transaction via my phone. And yes. Transaction has been approved. Okay, cool. All right, what are you guys saying? Zero said, yeah, tagged you with the chart in Discord. Sorry, on mobile right now. Okay, let's go check. Very nice. 103, 188. Open in browser. I like that I can do this and zoom in. Yeah, that's exactly what played out previously. That looks great. Nice. Guys, I need everyone to kind of send positive vibes to my Daisy friends, because WF Capital, I think, got into the server and there's like 60 people. Oh god, I hope he's okay. He has so much gear. Oh shit. That gear fear is real, man. It really is. All right, what do we got? 103, 181. Let's see if my ETH has arrived in my MetaMask yet. It's usually pretty quick, isn't it? It has not. Oh, it has. It has. Cool. I got a little concerned there for a second. I thought I sent it to the wrong address. Make sure you guys confirm your wallet addresses before you send your crypto. Don't do what I just did. I got a little bit. Luckily, it wasn't too much money, but it still would have sucked. Now, for the first time ever, I need to figure out how I can purchase this through Dex Screener. Go to my watch list. Go to pin link. Pin link will be my first on-chain ETH coin that I've actually purchased myself. I do have some DBI, which is a hilarious meme coin. The dev, I think, is an absolute legend. I'll go to Twitter and show you guys because I think he's freaking hilarious. He also does a lot of collabs with Chic Roberto. The dev. He is the dev of Bitcoin. And he's freaking funny. I believe Dale has been getting featured a lot more. Let's take a quick watch. Enjoy some comedy.
All right, guys, I'm going to explain to you why Bitcoin is better than the U.S. banking system. I want you to listen to me. The U.S. banking system is a joke. It's a freaking joke. When's the last time you've been to a bank? Yeah, the long lines at banks, you know, and you got old people with crutches and walkers, and it takes a half an hour to, if you want to get $20 out, it takes a half an hour to get $20. Don't you get sick of that? That's why I use Bitcoin, because I always got it there. I don't have to go anywhere. I can sit at my house and get it. I can go across the street and get it. Bitcoin is there. That's why I got it. That's why you should get it. The US dollars are funny money. But what's even funnier is DBI. DBI is funny money. It's the funniest money. Hip hip, hooray, it's the funniest money. Don't it make you happy?
Here, let's see what we got from the dev.
My one dog used to throw it up and eat it again, so we got to eat it twice.
Oh my.
It's just the stupidest shit. It makes me so happy.
I'm thankful for keeping my coins off the exchanges.
That's a good one.
I'm thankful for learning from my mistakes.
Good job. It's about time, Dale.
I'm thankful for taking selfies after my talks.
A ladies man.
You've always been a ladies man.
I'm just thankful for.
Shut up, Fonzie boy. You're a bitch. And me, I'm thankful for the DBI community. It's better than Bitcoin. It's
Oh shit. I fucking love them. I think they're hilarious. And they make me laugh. And that's all that matters, guys. Laughter is more important than money. But money helps. Liquidity Unchained said, I think I found a gem. Ticker is Goku. Let's go take a look at Goku. I, once again, cannot get this to go through to save my life. Slippage. 5% slippage. Update. Here we go. Hang on. Oh, it's going to go through. Let's see if I can get it to go through. Hang on. This is exciting. This is so exciting, guys. I got it. Can I get this to go through? Dude. High slippage. Swap anyway. Preparing swap. I'm swapping ETH for Pinlink. It's happening. Privately submitting your swap. Swap will be complete in 2 minutes and 26 seconds. That's exciting. I'm doing it, Tyler. Are you still here? Goku on Sol. Okay, Helium Mobile. April, I actually got a better one for you than Helium. But I'll take a look at that. What was the name? Goku. Goku on Sol. Goku on Sol. There's a bunch of them. This one's 10.5 mil. I'm assuming it's this one. A month old. 10.5 mil. Whoa, this thing blew up and it stayed blown up. Very nice. That's quite impressive. RSI looks quite decent. People like Dragon Ball Z, man. They really do. So you do have bearish div here. Just so in case anyone's not aware, when you measure divergence, you do not measure the wicks. You measure the candle body closes. Actually, it would be right here. So did that play out already? Technically, it did, I think. So you might be good to go. Because this price action right here does not, like the point on the RSI does not meet up with the line for the bearish div. So that would not count as bearish div. What I want to see, you got a shit ton of volume right here. You don't have a lot here, but what you got going for you is that the price is actually moving up, which means there's just not people selling. 147K in volume. Liquidity is quite good, actually. Okay, so it did CTO on October 31st. No, it did not. October 28th. Damn, October. What an idiot. Look at that. He sold all of his shit like back here. Oh my gosh. Guys, spam the L's in the chat for this dev. What a fucking loser. Look at how much money he fumbled. Damn. Yes, the first one, bro, TA doesn't work on these. Just pump it. I mean, I do TA on them anyways. That's why I have let's do some TA on this meme. And it does work on them. We had the pressure cooker we discovered first on Roar, the Roaring Kitty meme. And it played out beautifully. Look at this. Back here, you had bullish and bearish div duking it out twice, and then it went BAM! And anybody that traded that would have made a crap ton of money. Then after that, you needed a decent sized cool off. I understand the argument though. TA on meme coins is quite silly. But who said you can't be silly in crypto? Crypto itself is quite silly. Swap completed. Your pin is now available. I have officially purchased pin link. I'm going to go mark it in the chart. Let's fucking go. It's about damn time. If this goes down from here, I'm fully blaming Tyler. This is my purchase. I'm going to make it blue, actually, because blue's my favorite color. Like a blurple. Oh my gosh, guys, it took like 6 days and $17,000 in bank loans for me to pay for ETH gas, but I finally managed to purchase one pin link. I'm just kidding. I got more than one. But it did cost me $17,000 in ETH gas. That was not a joke. I'm being dead serious. Anything to make $1. But yeah, guys, future reference. Apparently ETH through Phantom Wallet sucks ass and is stupid and dumb. But ETH through MetaMask is fine. Is Pooper making a comeback, or did I just buy more like an idiot? I think that's what happened. Whoops. Let's go take a look at Pooper really quick. Pooper. Yeah, Pooper's pretty fucking dead. I like that Fart Dog had a nice... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fart Dog, what happened? No. Look what they did. Look how they massacred my boy. Damn. See, I didn't do TA on this. If I had done TA, I might have seen that it would have rugged. Let's see. Let's see if I can retrofit some TA. Hold on. 62.9, 62.5. So that's lower. Never mind. Okay, yeah. The TA would not have called this. Unfortunately. Damn. Rest in peace, Fart Dog. What a shame. What a shame. Actually, I take that back. I take that back. This is higher, and this is lower. The TA would have called the dump. Oh, shit. On the 15-minute, the TA would have called the dump. I mean, you do, yeah. You don't really need to do TA to see that you got a double top, and then it equals a double top itself. So, not financial advice. But, geez, I used to talk shit about TA. I used to talk shit about how it was speculative and like reading tea leaves. And now I unironically do TA and trade TA successfully. What kind of comeback story is that? Zero said F. Dude, F Fart Dog as well. What the heck? Kirby makes me happy. What else do we got? There was one. Where was it? I like Frick just because of the cute frog pictures. We finally purchased some pin link. Let's go check up on Hawk Tua. Haley Welch is still sleeping. Splo is starting to rug again. Popo's trying to survive. It's trying really hard to survive. Monkey on Watermelon I called beautifully. Legacy. I guess, should I just remove these from the watch list, or is that dumb? I guess I'll see them in my wallet, you know? I'm just going to leave them, I suppose. Let's get rid of this stupid freaking B&B Santa coin, though. This thing's dead. They always try to front run it, and you end up like only being able to make money on the themed coins in November. Hawk Tua got a nice little spike up. This is probably her. She probably felt bad and like put a little bit of money back into it, and then the community's cheating on itself. What a fucking mess. What an absolute mess. What president did she replace on here? That's a little blasphemous, is it not? Yeah, okay, Splow's doing okay. Not compared to its previous actions, but it's getting there. It's trying. Still a Splow maxi. Popo, my sweet baby boy, is dead and dying, but I wish him the best. I hope he comes back. I still own all of my Popo like an idiot. Maybe one day I'll be able to sell for break even. Monkey on Watermelon we called. This was a weird one. I've never called a pattern like this before. It did this, and I said it's going to do this next, and it did exactly that. Literally 1,000% exactly that. I think I still have some. I left a moon bag. Yep. Shit. I think I made like $10 off of it, and I left 5. So I technically made 5 off of it. I don't like having the dust in my wallet, though. That sucks. Kirby's still doing good. It is struggling to maintain this candle, though, on the 4-hour, which we got 1 more hour until that closes. And then Shambles looks amazing. Bitcoin's at 103,317. Ooh, and we are chilling. Guys, I'm very, very pleased to announce that I've successfully purchased Pinlink. For the first time in my life, I managed to purchase Pinlink. Let me see. I'm so excited. I wonder, does my buy show up on here? I don't think it does. It's none of these are the right quantity. It was less than 26 minutes ago. That's pretty weird. I'm excited though. We checked out the Twitter, and man, oh man, it's super duper bullish. Bitcoin is at 103,387. Getting awfully pumpy. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me for this early stream. Are we at 10 likes yet? And where's Tyler? I'm just going to put this on here for when he returns. See, there's an arrow thing, isn't there? Yeah. What? Here we go. Bam. That'll be there for when Tyler returns. Very cool. Ooh, we are at 16 likes. Hell yeah. You guys are killing it. We're going for 94 minutes. And Bitcoin is at 103,377 and 77 cents. Very, very cool. Let's see what else is going on. Do. Yeah, I feel like it could very well happen here. Let's see if the liquidation points are still the same. Or if they've changed them at all. No, they're still there. We got 103,578, 103,808. Yep, and then 104,88. No, that's the all-time high. 103,808, 103,578. Yeah, we might get some blast into the upside to liquidate some of those. 102,354. Yeah. Dude, you know what would be really funny? Steve said, JJ, trying to get an opinion on Beam from multiple people. Can you give me yours? Yes, I absolutely can. Beam spot on Bybit. Like a price opinion? Or just overall on the project itself? Beam. Is this Moonbeam or is this something else? Okay, so it's listed on Binance and Kraken. Let's go to the website. What do they do? Click to insert and receive 30 points. I mean, the website's sick. Is this gaming? Hello? Ecosystem. Oh, it's a bridge. No, it is gaming. Gaming asset marketplace. One-stop shop for gaming assets. Sure. On Immutable, ZK EVM, and Beam. So they have a source of revenue. Volume with volume. Okay. The website's beautiful. The 4-hour has, let's see, resistance and support. Resistance-ish. Oh, it's almost at all-time highs. I love this. I absolutely love it. I mean, once you break through here, you got blue sky breakout right now. It's probably going to dance around these levels for a minute. I wouldn't be surprised to see it retrace or even just bust through this, retrace, and continue. You know, it's going to do something with these levels for sure, I'm thinking. It could reject off of here, go back, maybe bounce off of the psychological level of 32, maybe go all the way down, and then continue up. It could break through that. Like I said, there's a bunch of things that could happen. But you do have resistance levels here, here, here from the previous high, and here. All have confluence in the past. Not a lot of volume in these areas. But what's nice is right here, where you had no volume, so to speak, you've established volume here, and you've established volume here. So all of this right here, this whole chunk has volume established for it. This is the lows. And down here is just 0. So you're in a pretty good spot. You got a nice parabola setting up. And it's getting pretty spicy. It should curve like nice and slow, but this one looks like it's getting violent right here. Yeah, I would just look for these levels for some ranges to play around in. And then if they got the right marketing team behind them, I feel like they can move, especially if the gaming sector starts to pick up again. The Merit Circle token is migrating to Beam. Okay, interesting. So are they absorbing Beam? Or are they absorbing Merit Circle? They got 89,000 followers. I really do like it. Etna upgrade from Avalanche. Okay. Yeah, this looks great. Build on Beam, integration, community folk. Yeah. I mean, they're tweeting like every other day. They got a huge community. They've been developing. They're hiring people. They're hiring marketing. That's a big deal. I like it. I think it looks good. When the market starts to heat up like this, your biggest thing you want to look for is a good marketing team, and you want to make sure that their social media is kept up to date. He said overall, Alex Becker likes this one a lot. I mean, Becker knows his gaming coins. He's his like bread and butter was marketing. Tuan Lee said, "Sup, JJ? In your opinion, you think Altseason will last way shorter than the last bull cycle?" I'm not actually sure. I don't think it's just going to be shorter. I think that there might be less alts that go really high, but there might also be more. It's hard to say. There's a lot of liquidity in meme coins right now, and I can't tell if that's going to hurt the market or not because it's a lot of retail. It's a lot of retail. But I don't think it's the kind of retail that would be buying coins in the first place. Like, nobody was sitting here wanting to buy alts and just went to meme coins entirely. The people that are in the altcoin market have stuck around the altcoin market, maybe started dabbling in meme coins. There's a lot of new people in meme coins, but I don't think retail has really arrived yet. And I think alts, especially with new ETFs being approved, I think there's going to be a lot of speculation happening on what ETFs could be approved next. And with the whole tax thing in the US and the US-based cryptocurrencies being untaxable, according to a potential change by the upcoming administration, I think Altseason is going to be different for sure. How different? I don't know. It might be shorter. It might be longer. We might not even get a crazy bear market. Or it might be the worst bear market of all time. It's definitely up in the air for sure. We've never really seen anything like this. Max Payne would probably be at playing out the exact same way that it played out last time. Yeah, Bitcoin looks great right now. Let's see. We got 9 people watching, 18 likes. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the description if you guys want to help support the channel. You can donate to the channel. You can buy some merch. You can sign up with our affiliate links. Or you can just join our Discord and come hang out. The biggest thing you can do for the channel, though, is smash the like button, subscribe, and share the stream with your friends and family. We're trying to hit 500 subs before the end of the year. We got exactly 16 days left for that. And I do believe we need 121 subscribers. I think we can do it. I believe in us. Yep, here comes Bitcoin. 103, 389, or 383.99. Let's see if these liquidation points have remained the same. Yes, they have. Bulls are getting a little ballsy. 102, 354. Is that the same? Yep. Okay. 103, 399.95. Was it going to break 104? Yep, there it goes. Bahid said, need a Santa rally for more subs. Exactly. I think I'm going to do a 12-hour live stream soon. Maybe when we hit 400 subs, I'll do a 12-hour live stream to try to get to 500. That would be kind of cool. I feel like that's a good idea. I will say if I do a 12-hour live stream, it's probably going to be this week. $103, 400 even. Very nice. Guys, don't forget, for anyone that is new here, every day we do the daily close live stream, and we have a daily close contest where on the Binance USDT Bitcoin chart, you guys try to guess the daily close of Bitcoin, and it starts 10 minutes prior to the daily close, and we stop taking submissions 5 minutes prior, and we only take the first 10 submissions. And if you get closest without going over, you win bragging rights. If you nail all 6 digits of Bitcoin, you win $15. If you nail all 8, which includes the change, then you win either $100 or a special prize, which could be merch, or it could be something else. It's more than likely going to be merch if you get the special prize. And yeah, it's a fun time. Every once in a while, it turns into a shit show, but it's still fun. 103, 420, hell yeah. $103, 420, 69 would be an amazing weekly close. Yeah. Yep. Bitcoin is chilling. Let's see where the fractal goes right there, actually. That's the peak. The peak of the fractal. Steve said, JJFTM ripping. Bahid said, I need a massive dump by the end of the year. LOL. Tax harvesting. Yeah, I forgot about tax harvesting. FTM. Ooh, FTM is ripping. So FTM had this ascending channel, broke below it, held this support at 113, it looks like. Was that support? Yes. And continued to the upside. Now it's looking like a W, breaking back into this formation. Or it's trying to, I guess. This lower line was a little bit sloppy when I put it down. I'll do that, and then I'll do that. Yeah, so want to see it break above that. Looks good, though. It really does. Interesting. Bitcoin 103, 430. Very nice. It's getting spicy. It's getting pretty damn close to those liquidations. Are they going to close, or are they just going to leave them? I always find it funny when they leave them. Like, you got to have some kind of balls to leave your trade open that close to liquidation. At least add to it so you don't get liquidated, you know? 103, 578. 103, 808. Yeah, they're not moving. We're going to poke right through those, I think. Let's see. Fahid said maybe no Santa rally. Possible. I mean, we're chilling above 100K right now. Is BlackRock going to tax harvest? Are they tax harvesting? Because everyone should be in profit. So you can't really tax harvest if the number's up. You know what I mean? So it's definitely going to be interesting to see. Here we go. We're getting a rejection off of that potential. Are they adding? Are they adding to their positions? How fast is this update? Okay. Yeah, that might be it. If the fractal is to be believed, that could have been it. My fractals have not always been right, though. I'd say we got about a 80% success rate on the fractals. Yeah, that might be it, guys. That might have been it. It's so close, too. Huh. 103,404. Steve said, if you're down right now, you just got into crypto last week. Exactly. So the tax harvesting, I don't know if there's a lot of people that can tax harvest. They're usually supposed to sell at a loss. And then they can be like, oh, I lost my ass on crypto, so I can't pay taxes. And the government's like, okay. I will say, guys, definitely make sure you pay your taxes. It's not worth it. The amount of stress that I imagine you would go through if the IRS was like, you owe us 40 grand because you haven't paid your crypto taxes in 5 years. That would suck ass. So just pay your taxes. It's not worth it otherwise. That's not financial advice though. So do what you guys want to do. 103, 406, 90. Just 2:26 p.m. I'm worried that this 4-hour candle is going to close super duper green, and then the next one's going to look like crap. However, the weekly, no matter what, I think is going to close super duper bullish. That big wick to the downside. Are we gonna bullish engulf this wick as well? That'd be crazy. We'd have to close above 104.88, which is the current all-time high. Oh, 103.428. Getting some nice violent little spikes in there. I'm curious to know how much money it takes to move the Bitcoin price X amount of percent now. I always enjoyed those metrics. Pinlink's not moving, Tyler. What the heck? Zaza Wick said, LOL nation states talking about adoption and you're talking tax loss harvesting. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. It could happen. It really could. Like I feel like there's going to be PTSD from everyone that experienced the bull market the last bull market. Because the last bull market was kind of a shit show. We had the SEC was suing everyone like crazy. A million different exchanges collapsed. A bunch of people got rugged and fucked over. And it kind of sucked ass. There was tax harvesting. There was scams left and right. This time around, I think we kind of got our shit together a little bit better, but people are still paranoid. I'm still paranoid. Every time we get a little bit of dump, I'm like, ooh, this sucks. Is this it? You always have that in the back of your head. Is this it? Was that the top? Always. And eventually you'll be right. But that's why you can't trade with emotion. You can speculate all day though. Always room for a little healthy speculation, healthy skepticism. Bitcoin's at 103,413. Steve said, JJ, does loop ring have any chance? That's a good question. What are these sloppy ass lines I drew? Okay. So you had the parabola. You had bullish div, but it did not solidify that. It broke right below it. Pretty violent break as well. Ton of bullish div all the way up. Got a little overwhelmed. I'm not sure what this is. This is kind of what happened right here. Does it have any chance? So right now you got a support level right here-ish. Pretty decent size support level. Support back here, back here, back here. All this support. And then it broke below it. Did not test it as a resistance at all. And then when it did, oops, shit. You broke through it, retested, continuation of the upside, and then came back down for a second retest. And now this is very head and shoulders pattern. So be wary of that. I would call that your neckline. And if that does break, which right now so far it looks like it's rejecting, I like to be modest with my targets as well. You are looking at 1879 target. So you would want that to hold in that scenario. But right now, this right here is a clear rejection off of that neckline. You want to see that kind of fight back pretty hard. Yeah, you also got some kind of resistance situation setting up right there too. So you want to get above that line. The parabola can only last so long. This thing was pretty overbought up here. It's overbought right here. So yeah, I'd say it has a chance. It's kind of doing the same thing that everything else is doing right now. Decent sized pullback from everything. Everything did blow up like crazy. So it's not surprising to see stuff start to take a breather. Some stuff is more bullish than others because of the marketing aspect, whether it's word of mouth or otherwise. But yeah, if they got their marketing in order and people are willing to buy them, I don't think you have anything to worry about. I bought this when the big GameStop craze was happening. Loop Ring. I definitely remember everyone talking about Loop Ring. All right, guys. I'm probably going to call it for a minute. We got 6 people watching. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. I think Bitcoin's going to mellow out for a little bit. But if it does break through that, then, you know, you can bet on me hopping on. So, otherwise, I'll see you guys at the daily close. Thanks again for tuning in. Happy Sunday, and I'll see y'all later.